On Coinbase, a massive signal has just been detected. For more than 3 years, we haven't seen anything like. The Shiba Inu ecology gets a huge makeover. There is no way this can improve. Has the bull season begun? My excitement is beyond words. An enormous day has come. However, what is really taking place? Here, we'll discover. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. There was a really major event yesterday. Finally, crypto had a pump. Although it wasn't substantial, any gain feels good after days of losses. The Fed's announcement that it would lower interest rates by 50 basis points in as little as 4 days was a key factor in this. It seems the Fed is once again causing some uncertainty. With this quantity of gasoline to drive the bullish momentum, things might become fairly interesting shortly if history repeats itself. Excuse me, but what makes this so important? The announcement of rate decreases by the Federal Reserve, particularly ones as large as 50 basis points, causes tremors in the financial markets. When interest rates are lowered, borrowing money becomes more affordable, which in turn stimulates consumption and investment. When investors expect more money to flow into riskier assets, like cryptocurrencies, the buying pressure tends to spike. It's the same as putting gasoline on a dying fire. This may be the catalyst for a bullish run, sending prices soaring as confidence grows, if the market reacts historically. Because of the potential impact this decision might have on the market, everyone is watching the Federal Reserve closely. All indications suggest that the Shiba Inu development team is about to release an upgrade at the perfect time. Providing updates while the market is doing well may provide significantly better results than doing so when the market is doing poorly. Updates often acquire greater traction when the market is optimistic, adding to the already high levels of enthusiasm and confidence. And this is the precise event that transpired. Major technological changes are about to be implemented on PuppyNet, the testnet version of the Shibarium Layer 2 solution that powers Shiba Inu, made public on Friday. A new version of BR, a crucial component of the network, is about to be released. Concurrent with the update, the Cancun hard fork will also be applied. These updates might significantly improve the network's performance. For the Shiba Inu ecosystem, this might be the difference between success and failure. Faster transactions, a better storage system, and an enhanced user experience. Okay, so let's back up a little. What gives this the weight it has at the moment? As a testnet, PuppyNet mimics the main network's functionality, but serves no practical use. Developers may fine-tune the system, finding and addressing flaws without incurring big losses, thanks to testnets. Many projects have their own implementations of this, such as the now-deprecated Coven and Goerli, and Ethereum accomplishes it via its Sepolia testnet. Before implementing these changes on the live network, the Shiba Inu team may use PuppyNet to test things. Setting up the Shiba Inu to succeed in the future. The timing is perfect, too, particularly in this environmentally conscious market. Such updates have the potential to increase hope and elevate Shiba Inu's status, elevating it from a joke currency to a project with actual technical support. The development team went into additional detail about how this improvement is crucial to the Shiba Inu ecosystem as a whole. This is the second hard fork that the Shiba Inu developers have released this year, the first being Cancun, the name of the update. Important community member Lucy tweeted on how these changes would improve Shibarium and its testnet, PuppyNet, highlighting the importance of these technological advancements. According to Lucy, engineers must prioritize the Cancun update, since it will allow for fantastic modifications that will improve the network's speed, stability, and security. So, how will Shibarium change as a result of the Cancun hard fork? Well, it's anticipated to significantly increase transaction speeds, make the storage system more efficient, and overall improve the user experience. The purpose of this update is to strengthen Shibarium so that it can better manage the needs of its expanding user base. As Shibarium develops, it is crucial to have an efficient and safe environment, and the Shiba Inu development team is laying the groundwork for it by releasing Cancun and improving PuppyNet. Such improvements demonstrate that Shiba Inu isn't only riding the hype wave, rather, it is constructing a foundation for the future. Now things start to get exciting. Truly, it is a monumental day. At long last, hope for the future seems to be growing. Today is certainly a key time, since a big signal has just emerged over the whole crypto market. You may be asking why that is the case. Coinbase Premium has identified an extremely unusual bullish indicator for Bitcoin. A member of the crypto quant platform's community provided a breakdown of the reasoning for the possible restriction of Coinbase Premium. A sign that Bitcoin's price is likely to rise in the future. Time to new all-time high for Bitcoin has traditionally been monitored using this measure. Bitcoin reached its all-time high in 2021 on the strength of a comparable signal. Okay, what's going on right now? Coinbase Premium's 1-hour chart shows what is known as a triangle convergence, where the top and lower boundaries are approaching zero. A bullish flag is a trusted trading indicator that often suggests an impending breakthrough, and this pattern looks a lot like it. Avocado on Chain, a alleged crypto quant analyst, was the first to notice the convergence. He had previously seen a like configuration just before Bitcoin's last bull market surge to its all-time high. So what's the big deal? You see, Coinbase Premium keeps tabs on how much more or less Bitcoin costs on Coinbase compared to other exchanges. When the premium starts to shrink, it's usually a sign that Coinbase-heavy U.S. institutional investors are getting involved. Such actions indicate that large-scale demand is increasing, which is usually a positive indicator for the price of Bitcoin. If past events are any indication, this may be the precursor to a huge upswing. All eyes will be on Bitcoin as this triangle formation tightens. Many traders are predicting a strong higher rise. That is to say, the crypto sector is experiencing a thrilling period, since this might be the first indication that Bitcoin is preparing for another ascent to new heights. Bitcoin, as is well known, never climbs alone. Whenever that happens, it takes the whole crypto sector down with it. So it's safe to assume that Shiba Inu is in for a wild journey. There has been a lot of talk amongst specialists about the most recent study, and one analyst has even hinted that major things may be in the corner. According to a new analysis by market researcher CryptoCheck, Shiba Inu is now in the limelight, and the token's price could be about to skyrocket. The analyst has forecasted a significant breakout for Shiba Inu, based on a number of important indicators, including the Bollinger Bands method. Why is everyone so excited? CryptoCheck focused on the narrowing of the Bollinger Bands on the Shiba Inu one-day chart. This kind of tightening of the Bollinger Bands, which measure market volatility, is often an indication that the market is experiencing a period of relative quiet before a potential storm. The research states that this kind of contraction usually occurs prior to a sudden change in price, either upwards or downwards. And now for the exciting part. Additional signs indicate to a rising surge. Among the many indicators that lend credence to this optimistic view is the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for Shiba Inu. After languishing for some time, the RSI finally touched its yearly low just lately. The Shiba Inu market may be about to see a price reversal because of this oversold condition. To put it more simply, when an item is oversold, it usually attracts purchasers who are eager to get their hands on it at a bargain. According to CryptoCheck, the current situation with Shiba Inu is a prime example of how an increase in demand may cause prices to rise. And that's not all. A further indicator of a bullish breakout was a V-shaped recovery pattern that the analysts saw on the 4-hour chart. Shiba Inu prices fell sharply in July but have since recovered, suggesting that purchasers are ready to jump in when prices fall. The fact that Shiba Inu has made such a robust comeback from its low point provides additional evidence that a surge is on the horizon. Wait a second. Shiba Inu must still surpass a crucial trend line, according to the research, before this bullish scenario may materialize. If that occurs, Shiba Inu owners will be ecstatic because the floodgates might open and the breed's popularity could skyrocket. It seems like we're about to enter a monumental period of bullish activity, What with the Fed's impending actions, Shibarium's upgrades, and Bitcoin's unusual premium indication all adding up. It seems like the market is about to break out, and bull season could start sooner than everyone thought. Do you feel prepared to face it? Simply said, the market flip will happen very quickly. Also, this is a wave that may bring in some real cash for the right people. So, what are your thoughts on the matter? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.